So long, so you guys can see the car is in pieces right now. I bet you've never seen a 991.2 GT3 RS just in pieces like you have this one. Look, there's no wing on it. Ooh, look at that. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. So I want to hop directly into the title and thumbnail of this video. You're probably here because you like cars or you are interested in wrecked supercars. So we're about to talk about that. But really quick, stick around to the end of this video because if you guys like cars, I was just in Utah and I brought the vlog camera and we went to Lux Auto Spa, we went to Makes and Models, I hung out with Stradman, and we did a lot of really awesome car stuff. So if you like cars, stick around till after I talk about this and you can see all of that footage. Next part of this video, something I've been seeing going around a lot on YouTube lately. I personally watch YouTube videos whenever I have free time. That's like what I like to do for fun. I feel like it's healthy for me. I'm a YouTuber, I make YouTube videos, so it's good to watch them. I don't know, don't question me. I've been watching these guys. They're called the Goonzsquad, I think is their channel. And then of course you guys know who TJ Hunt is. There's this big trend going around where people are rebuilding supercars, okay? I've bought a supercar before. You've seen those kind of videos. These kind of things like really interest me. So I wanted to ask you guys, we're about to look at a couple of wrecked supercars. I've never looked online at any type of wrecked supercar or wrecked expensive cars. I never really had a reason to until right now. I also want to ask you guys, would that be entertaining to you? Because I know my channel's not like an entire car channel. I know that the Fox fam loves their car videos and it's fun to make car videos every once in a while and then do some lifestyle stuff and kind of go back and forth. But that's kind of why I wanted to ask you, would that be something that you guys could be interested in? Me buying a wrecked car and then us somehow figuring out how to rebuild it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something that interests you. But for now, I've never shopped or don't know how to shop for a wrecked car. So we're gonna hop on my laptop. I wanna look at a couple really quick and then we're gonna go to Utah and then do all that other car stuff. I've never done this before, so this is the first time for the both of us. Wrecked supercars for sale. Boom. Boom. Junk your wrecked car for cash. Buy best cheap car insurance. No. One online auto auction. Used and salvage vehicles. Okay, first thing, let's look at Lambos. Let's look at Lamborghinis. I've seen a lot of people rebuilding Lamborghinis. I've never seen anyone rebuild a Lamborghini Murcielago. Wow, the interior's very, ooh, you can see the damage. Holy, this is my first time doing this. Okay, this bid ends in 1 day and 18 hours. Look at the damage on this isn't terrible. It looks like it got rear-ended. I'm not a car professional, by the way, so I don't know what's a good deal, what's not. This is just to kind of get the idea flowing for you guys and see if you're even interested in this. Ooh, let's look at a Ferrari. I know TJ Hunt is rebuilding a Ferrari 458. 2011 Ferrari California, $40,000. There's a lot of Californias. 2 Californias up here for around $42,000. Ah, here we go. Here's a beautiful, this is a great one. This is a good one. This was a Ferrari, like, are you sure? 1999 Ferrari F35. Who would buy it? $0? Okay, maybe not. We probably couldn't rebuild that one. That'd probably be a lot of work. Oh, let's see what they got in the Porsche section. I've never seen anyone rebuild a Porsche. I've seen a lot of Lamborghini Huracans and a lot of Ferraris. I'm shopping for Porsche. Here we go, baby. Not a lot of exciting Porsches on this website. I'm sure there's more websites. Guys, I literally Googled this for the first time a couple minutes ago, just for you guys. Let's try Nissan GTR, just to see. Ooh, here we go, here we go. 2012 Nissan GTR, Platinum Edition, Black Edition, salvage. All right, so it looks like this just straight hit someone. The back of it's fine, everything's beautiful, the interior, the airbag has gone off, you can see that. It's so scary to see a car like this, just 23,000 miles, okay, bid starting at $10,000. Could you see a GTR rebuild? Maybe make Guaxilla's sister? I'm not gonna keep looking at cars right now because I just kind of wanted to open the conversation to you guys. If that's something that you could see me doing on this channel, please comment down below. I would be highly interested in rebuilding a wrecked supercar. I don't know how that'd be possible. Maybe I could partner with like Sheepy Racing. I just went over there, they're close. Stick around because you do not want to miss this, I swear. All right, so now, I'm gonna take you guys to Utah with me. I'm starting my vlog right now because there could not be a better place. In every vlog, I always say that there's no better place to start the vlog than right now. Well, there's no better place to start today's vlog than right now, Sean.
I'm freaking
We're gonna...
I'm a Porsche guy and there's Porsche heaven.
Yeah, we're sitting in a 918 right now. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Look at this beautiful lining on the seats right here. Anyways, first time starting a 918. We're gonna start today's vlog. How do I do this? Oh, boom. It's the same as my car. All right, guys. It's probably not gonna make a noise because it's hybrid, huh?
Mean place.
Is it on? They didn't even make a noise.
To switch it over right here. Hold on. To switch it over.
Boom.
It's not on yet.
Oh, hold on.
So this is a hybrid engine, guys. It's electric and it's gas powered. We gotta move that little dial. Whoop. There it goes. Guys, look at the car I was just in. This is where I was just sitting. I've seen a couple of 918s in my day, but this one, I love the spec on it. I like the dark. What's the paint on this? What is it?
I don't even know.
Is
Midnight blue?
Midnight blue with the martini wrap. It's got all the beautiful green trim.
It's the little things.
It really is, like all the nice little green trim. For starting today's vlog with the 918. And now I probably have to explain a little bit of where I am. So starting today's vlog out here at Lux in Utah. Special guest, Sean Duras, holiday in the house. So we're actually here to check out my Porsche. Wait. We're gonna see it first. Okay guys, so we are getting the project started on the Porsche right now. I'm not gonna directly tell you what we're doing, but the project is officially starting. And
Tanner, I freaking love you, dude.
Dude, this is your
Porsche bros for life.
Yes, we are, exactly. So Sean was a little bit of an inspiration into me getting a Porsche. So this is Sean's first time seeing it. What do you think?
Porsche bros for life.
It's crazy in person, huh? We've been talking about it for so long, so you guys can see that the car is in pieces right now. I bet you've never seen a 991.2 GT3 RS just in pieces. No center caps, all the little window things, the door inside of the doors. Okay guys, so we are getting the project started on the Porsche right now. I'm not gonna directly tell you what we're doing, but the project is officially starting. And
Tanner, I freaking love you, dude.
This is
your Porsche bros for life.
Yes, we are, exactly. So Sean was a little bit of an inspiration into me getting a Porsche. So this is Sean's first time seeing it. What do you think?
Porsche bros for life.
It's crazy in person, huh? We've been talking about it for so long, so you guys can see the car is in pieces right now. I bet you've never seen a 991.2 GT3 RS just in pieces like you have this one. Look, there's no wing on it, no center caps, all the little window things, the door inside of the doors. Ooh, look at that. So, big wing, no big wing gang, no big wing gang. The wang gang's over here, it's chilling off the side. Whoa, hey Sean, you want to see a magic trick? Yeah, I know, for real, it's like flying at your girlfriend. You want to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Try it out. Try it out. It's kind of crazy, huh? Try it.
Magic.
Yeah. The project is about to begin. I want you all to comment down below and guess what you think we're doing to the Porsche right now. And if you guess, if you're smart enough and you know what they're doing right now, this is just the beginning. You guys aren't gonna even be able to guess or begin to imagine what we're doing with the car.
So kind of what you're talking about, like inverse cars.
That's exactly what we need to do.
What did you just say though? What are these cars? Who owns these?
So these are Cars for Kids Foundation cars.
No
So we
way.
do all like sick and injured children, children's charities is kind of what these cars.
That is so cool. Let me see the rendering. Guys, so this is what these cars are gonna look like. That's so cool.
I'll circle back to that.
So you said we could drive these next time I come out to Utah?
Yeah, so anytime you come out,
Take them out. Me and Sean go for a little race.
Road trip?
Question is, Sean, which one are you gonna pick? Which one are you choosing?
The fastest one.
The fastest one.
I'll go with this one. I like the minimalistic look.
Yeah.
You know,
No seats,
just
saves
keep it
weight.
Casual.
Saves weight.
Yeah.
Better
I'm
for the
all
race.
about minimalist.
Exactly. No doors for better downforce. Holy! Do that again. Do that again. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay.
From our walls.
Literally. Oh my god.
I was wondering it was raining.
The Lambo was so loud, stuff was falling out of the roof. Oh, look out, guys! Everyone back up! Back up! Back up! Oh, we don't want any trouble, we don't want any trouble, all right? We just wrapped up our tour here at Lux Automotive. We gotta check out some of the cars outside. We have the nice NSX, we got a GT2 RS right here, all blacked out, all murdered out. That thing looks so good. Hey guys, so this Acura NSX apparently has an exhaust on it. Let's go.
You hear that
Oh, I can hear the turbo! God damn! 6-cylinder hybrid turbo, holy hell.
don't fact check me on that.
Don't fact check us on that, guys. We don't know. I don't drive these cars. I don't think anyone does. More importantly, my car is inside of here. So if you guys live in Utah, just look up Lux's hours of like operation, and if they're open, hey Cougar, would people be allowed to come look at my car? Yeah? Okay, so if you guys want to come see the GT3 RS, if you live in Utah, make sure they're open.
Come check it out.
Talk to Cougar, and maybe he'll show you out the car. But I'm going home back to California tomorrow, so we're only out here today. I had to come check out the Porsche, had to come see Lux, had to come see the cool cars. Thanks for the tour again, man.
Of course, man.
Good to see you. Can't wait for the Porsche to be done. So you haven't been in my vlog in so long, man. When's the last time Alex was in one of my vlogs?
Was it like Dubai, probably?
Dubai. Yeah, boys.
What's up, vlog?
I haven't even explained why I'm in Utah.
Talk about it.
Sean, why am I in Utah?
Secret.
Secrets. Secrets. Sean's going to the airport. I'm staying in Utah. I'm taking your life.
This is weird.
I'm gonna stay with Holiday.
Wife.
You go to the airport. You're flying to Temecula,
gotta go to
and then you guys will live my life, and I'll stay here.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we have a project going down in your backyard that's gonna be pretty big. I need to work on.
Easy enough, man. Safe travels. All right, guys, stop number 2. We are down here at Makes and Models. The last time I was in Utah, I made a pretty viral video. It was called taking a Lamborghini race car through a McDonald's drive-thru. Hello. Yeah. Check that out. Get it. Come on, through the window, baby. Let's go. And we picked up the Lamborghini Super Trofeo Evo from Makes and Models, but this time they have a new location, so we're basically making the entire Utah car rounds. We're showing you everything that Utah has. Check it out. We even have a Guaxilla wannabe in the flesh right over here, guys. Aw, so cute. Special guest. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? Stradman!
Welcome to Utah.
And I heard you had some illegal modifications.
Whoa. Yeah.
You had some illegal modifications. What happened? What'd you do?
Window tint.
Window tint every time.
No exhaust.
They get you. The exhaust, no exhaust ticket like me. The window tint. That's what they'll get you. You're a criminal. All right, guys. So this is the Stradman's brand new Lamborghini Aventador. The last time I saw you, you were talking about this.
I was. You're right.
You hadn't even got it yet. Guys, look at the scissor doors. What's your favorite part about the car? Is it the doors?
V12.
Not the doors.
The flames. It'll spit fireballs on demand.
What?
On demand. Every time.
At a still?
Yeah.
You could
and
do it
on the highway
you
too.
You could potentially do it right now.
Well, you can't see it because it's bright out.
Okay,
But
we'll wait till later. We'll see the flames. We'll see the flames. Well, congratulations, man. We'll have to race the RS in this.
Let's do it.
We'll go on a canyon run.
RS is here.
My RS is here. We can go on a canyon run.
Yes, because
We'll have to do that, bro. When it's done, we'll go out. We'll go out for a drive. Look, check this car out. Do you guys remember this car? You remember this car?
Oh, yeah.
You remember that car? We took that car through the McDonald's drive-thru, and that video got like 8 million views. Did you know that?
Whoa, no.
Yeah.
8 million views on my channel. Holy, this is their new showroom. Oh my goodness. How are we seeing every supercar in all of Utah?
We're making the rounds today, man.
We have seen them all, guys. Look, we got the 991.2. What's your favorite? What's your favorite, Stradman? You had to pick one thing.
Am I not allowed to say my own car?
You can't say your own car. You can't say your own car. You have to pick. You have to pick a car in here.
Probably GT3 RS, just like yours.
Good call.
But I think
Good
I'd
call.
probably go green over white.
Green over white.
I don't know. I need
Lizard
to see yours.
green.
I need to see yours.
You
We're
do.
going on that
You
drive,
do.
so
You do.
yeah.
Wow. So they have like a way bigger showroom now. Apparently, this is the old Ferrari store that was in Utah.
It is, exactly.
That's crazy. So, lots of space. All right, I gotta check out the interior. Oh, that is literally icy. Look at that. Oh, it smells so new in here. This is an Alpina. I don't even know what you call this car. That is luxury, boy. This is the best smelling car I've ever been in.
Yes, it does.
I don't even know why. I've never been in a car that I like the smell of it, but this is it. We got the nice E36 M3 race car for my boy Hunter. Step your game up, bro. Step your game up. I know you want it. I know you want this cage. I know you want this race seats. This is so cool. You guys can see all the exotic cars straight from the front desk right here. Boom. So I was feeling bored while I was in Utah. Went to the Ferrari dealership, and I decided to pick up a new car. So we're gonna go take a ride in it. Don't worry. We'll give her a nice little. So in great YouTube fashion, we somehow ended up in an F12.
Not amazing.
Doesn't this just always happen?
Love it.
I was in a Carrera GT 3 days ago.
Oh, no way.
I don't even know how.
Dude, that is...
Here we are in an F12 in Utah. We gotta give her the ultimate test. The tunnel. It's just funny because I don't know how these things keep happening, guys. I just actually came to Utah and we ended up in a Ferrari, like with the Stradman himself. And because the F12 was just not enough, we're gonna take the Aventador. Ah, look at this. My first time in a normal Aventador. Favorite place to eat in all of Utah We don't have this in California, but I'll show you in 1 second. Pulling up to Costa Vida. Let's go! Guys, the absolute best part about the Aventador. Oh, the scissor doors. And just like that, guys, we wrapped up an entire day of work. Me and Holiday were just jamming at the space station. So actually, I'll tell them a little bit about who you are, because you guys have seen the Hot Wheel that I have in Walmart and in stores and all this kind of stuff. So you've probably been also curious, who's this guy in the videos all day? He's been in the videos in the past. So this is actually Holiday. We worked together on quite a bit of stuff, and Holiday is actually the reason that we could make the Hot Wheel happen. We went to Hot Wheels meetings like 2 years ago to start that little thing, and it was me and Holiday. So we've just been jamming today. We've been kind of planning out our year, talking a bunch about space station gaming, guys. So much fun stuff going, including some special items in stores and some very special stuff in some online stores. I'm not gonna say much more, but headed to the airport right now. Thanks for being a good Utah guide. He got that T-Fox brand on. So if you guys want to shop on T-Fox brand,
let's go.
You know where to go. There's a link in the description. I'm headed to the airport and I'm flying back to San Diego.
Yo, what's up, dude? Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, post notifications, roll the Fox paint.